Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we'll be learning about how to insert the data. Okay, so we are not using any Eloquent or any model, or we are not migrating any table, just we are directly inserting the data. So guys, let's get started with that. Okay, so first is this is a normal project. We have installed it, done it. So guys, first thing you have to create one form, right? So let's go into our resource folder inside view and we'll create one file. Okay, that is new file we'll just create. So I'll give you a demo like to enter the data. Okay, so student data, so student form I'll create. Okay guys, student form dot blade dot php. This how we do save the file dot blade dot php. Okay, so like dot php you save in a normal, but in Laravel blade dot php we have to save. So okay guys, in this now we have to create our HTML tags for storing the data. Okay, so guys, I have already created that one HTML form, so I'll just show you that. I'll copy this. Okay, Control C and paste it over here. Done. And yeah guys, and I have done this form with the bootstrap link, so I'll just copy that and design it. Okay, saved. So guys, now I'm going to tell you about the form. So in this is the form where I have created. Okay, so it's like got mistake over here. So guys, let's continue. Like this is a student name which in a label, text, and a class is my form control. This is a bootstrap class. Okay guys, and this is a name. In this we have to declare a student name I will give. Okay, and enter the student name in the placeholder. So stud student mobile number, that is mobile student number I'll give, and this is also text. So stud course, course course, and the final will be student address. Okay, and one button is there where I have given that input type submit, name also submit, and value is save or insert the data. Okay guys, now our form is done. So in this you have to give that the action thing. Okay, so we'll create that like add data. Okay, so add data. Now this and post method is post. So for this, now to accept this in Laravel we need a security code that it should session and all it uses, so we have to just include that thing. Okay, that is csrf underscore field 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 method. Okay guys, so it's done. And yeah, so let's go forward to that. So guys, we have given action data. So if you enter the data, it should go somewhere, right? So it is going to your one web thing. Okay, that is your route. Inside route you have give web.php, that is the routing system over here. Okay, so I am going to route double is to, inside that I will give post. Okay, so post method we will use for entering the data, right? So no confusion. Inside this post I am going to add it. Okay, so like backslash what, this value. Okay, this is your form value, just copy it, Control C and paste it to a Control V. Got it guys? Now in this add data, where it will route to your one student controller. So I'll create student controller at save will give. Okay, so now you have to create one controller. Okay, so for that let's create a controller. Like go to your bash or a command prompt, whatever you use. So we have to give the command like php artisan make controller student controller, okay, and give enter. So your controller might get, oh, what happened? Oh, actually I did not give the path, so I have to change the path. C drive, inside cd xampp / htdocs / and demo Laravel. This is my project name. Enter. Yeah, the path is found. php artisan make is to controller student student controller. So done, and yeah, the controller created successfully, guys. So let's go and check out. And this is a folder, okay. Let's close it, refresh. So inside app, inside your http, inside controller, you will get it did not load. Let's refresh again. Yeah, guys, so you finally it have come. Inside app http controller, you will find a student controller. So our controller is ready now. So now you have to give the code like to save the data, okay. So that first thing you have to do is that to view the form, okay, no confusion. First we are on this, so we will create public function what save, okay, control C at function, okay, done, and curly braces. Now in this you have to give the one statement that is from the Laravel. So you have to give request, oops, what happened, request, request space dollar request, request, I want it small letter, request, okay. So this is the method, and now we will be declaring the value in this, okay. So before declaring, we will route it one more thing to show on the first page, okay. So let's go to a form. If you want to show this form on the main page, so you have to give the route. For that, like route is to, what is that, give any name, that is get, I mean you have to use the get thing. Inside this two things we will add, okay. So first we'll give us anything student form, I'll give, okay, I'll just give student, okay. This is my URL now, okay. So URL, inside URL what you are giving, student student controller at to display the form, okay, display form I'll give. So there will no confusion. So just copy this, control C, go to your controller. Before that you have to create one more public function, that is display method, okay, and open the curly braces. No confusion, very simple. So in this display you have to write the statement is that return view, okay, return view. What you are returning? Your form. So that is student form, okay. This is your student form.blade.php, okay. This form you are returning in this, okay. So what is the route actually? Yeah, it is student. Why it's showing an error? Oops, I did not close the semicolon, okay. Yeah, so saved, and now we have to do is that to save it. So first let us refresh and let us see the output, what is the form is looking or what. So guys, let's go and serve php artisan serve, let's give enter. Yeah, the localhost is started at that. So I'll show you 127.0.0. so this is my output. This is the first page. Okay, so we have given over here is that route at student. Just copy that and paste it over here. So student, so the document have been ready. Okay, now the document is ready. If you click on save the data, it should go and save into your database. Okay, so for that coding we will do now. Okay, so now I am telling you that this is the form. Now action will do at the add data route. So that will route is this, and this route is going to your student controller at save method. Okay, so we are going to save method and do here. So guys, before doing all this, you have to set your database. Okay, so let's go and save the database, set the database. So that is env file. Inside env file you have to conclude the data. Okay, now nothing is there, right? So this is your database name, Laravel DB. I have given one database, Lara, and one I don't. Username I just give root, and I don't have password. Okay, so this is the Laravel DB. Now we are going to create the database. So guys, before creating, I have already created. Okay, it's loaded, dude. So guys, I have already created Laravel DB. Okay, so I'm going to open that, and yeah, so there are already some tables are there. So I'm going to create a new table. Okay, so my table name will be student. Okay, so I'm going to enter 5 fields in that, 5 contents, and go. Okay, so my table is being created and it is loading. Yeah guys, so first thing is that include the ID, that is 11, and index. Okay, that is primary and will be auto incremental. Go. And now the next is student name, where I'm giving varchar and 20, and next is student number I'm giving, and this is varchar, and this value is 20. Next, student what is that, student. So this was what happened to my mouse, form inside that student course. Okay, copy that. There's my base. Okay, student course. Next is the varchar and 20. Last is student address. Okay, varchar, that is 50 I'll give. Let's save the data, paste, save, and come on dude, processing request. Okay, it's going to be saved now. So guys, our student table is created successfully now. Okay, so let's my system is a little bit slow. Okay, so our student table is created now. There is student table number, course, and address. So let's go and get back to the code. Guys, now we have to go to our controller page where we are processing the request. So in this, let's not waste the time and do it fast. So I'll create one variable as student name. Okay, student name, that is $request. $request is to input of what, your field. Okay, input of your field. So what field is that? Your database name. Okay, so we have saved with this same name, so don't need to, just copy that and paste it into your controller. Okay, done, no confusion. So let's copy this, Control C, and paste it over here. Paste. So 4 fields we have entering. Now first is number, and another is course, and final is address. Okay, so what we have to change the variable also, right? So we'll change the variable number, and course, and next is address. Okay, so now it's done, and we have to give the statement to store in the database. Okay, so that is in the predefined thing, okay, by the Laravel. So db insert you have to use, okay, with the function. Okay, inside that function you are going to enter two fields. Okay, so now we are going to do insert into your table name, that is student. Okay, so your student table name. Okay, so your table name student over here, and yeah, student name and values will be that, and now give comma. Inside this you have to store your variables which you have created. Okay, so for that let's get started. So guys, in this student you have to take these names. Okay, copy, paste, give comma, copy, control C, control V, comma, control C, control V, control C, comma, control V. Okay, and now in this values you are going to add 4 question marks. These are predefined thing that would accept your these values. What you are entering into that, it will accept it. So now we'll enter data in that array. So what I'm going to do is I'll just give enter, so it will continue. So now you have to take these values. Okay, control C, control V, comma, control C, and paste it over here, and control C. Okay, copy, give comma and paste. So last value, control C, give comma and paste. Okay, so guys, now it's done. We will display the message. Okay, after saving it should display the message, right, and where it should redirect it. So I'll give return return and redirect, that is method. Oops, what happened? Okay, with your message. So in this we'll use two things, that is one success, where we will give data saved into, okay, data saved, we will give just data saved. So in this, where you are going to redirect is that your path. So what path I am using? Student, right? So just copy this and redirect to student. Done. Give semicolon, finished. So now the thing is ready, and database is ready, route is ready, and your employee page is ready. But where you will get this data saved message? So for that, let's code it. So I'll use at symbol instead of PHP, we use at. Okay, so I'll at if, what happened to this? Okay, at if, oops, we'll do it at, we are using if condition. Okay, and end of if. Okay, so in this we'll declare that the inbuilt session, which is there, SESSION session has, that is SUCCESS. Okay, CCESS. In that we will declare in a div, that is alert. Okay, we'll declare it, and we'll give h4 tag. Okay, inside that h4 tag we'll give, so what is that actually? Yeah, I got it. So inside this you have to give, and session you have to declare. So slash session, oops, what is this? SESSION session is to get your message, that is inside success, whatever the message is there, it will come. Guys, now it's done. Okay, yeah, now let's check out the output. So guys, let's it's already running. Okay, so we can directly go and check the data and refresh it. So it got refreshed. Okay, now we enter, refresh again and again, and now let's enter that student name is with Prakash, and okay, some mobile number and BCA and address Bangalore. Okay, now let's save and boom. So class app.db not found. Oops, we should give that db. You are in your controller, so let's go to our controller. So just give use db, okay, and give semicolon. That's it, guys, done. Oops, what is this? All right, so just refresh, and there is no message. What is that actually? Okay, so let's refresh it again and let's enter that. Let's go to a student, inside student this with Prakash, that is mobile course is BCA and Bangalore. Insert. Okay, I have clicked on insert. Whoops. So home at instead. Okay, it's not accepting the number, whatever that. Okay, let's check out for that. Hey guys, actually that was not an error. Okay, so you have to restart your command. Okay, so just if you have not put over here, put this 88,000 over here at localhost. Okay, and close your bash. I mean, just execute, give all control C, it will execute, and restart with it. Okay, php artisan serve, run your project again, then it will come for sure. Okay, because it gives an error when you don't put it. So guys, what I'm going to do, refresh. I have done no changes. Okay, so you can watch out over here, no changes. Okay, exactly the same. Now let's try, and yeah guys, oh wait, Prakash is here. Let's save the data. Data saved. Okay guys, so you have got the message that data saved. Now let's go to a folder, refresh and check out. Come on dude, forget. Yeah guys, so you have done with Prakash this Bangalore BCA. Okay guys, so you have come to know that how to save the data into database. Okay guys, so thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe, like and share it.